G'day everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing a cryptocurrency project called Rapids. Now this is a sponsored video. The developers reached out to me and I looked into it and it seemed like a decent project. So I'm going to cover some of the details about Rapids. Now, as usual, this is not financial advice, just highlighting some information about the project so you can go and do further research for yourself. And with that said, let's get into looking at Rapids. This is the Rapids website. Now, Rapids aims to drive adoption of crypto payments and make it possible to send payments through a single link on social networks. Firstly, let's look at the price on CoinGecko. You can see up to May 19th, it was trading in fractions of a cent. And then on May 19, there's this spike. Now, that was due to a supply reduction by 1,000 times. And this restructure was done in order to allow them to expand their services. If we look at the last 30 days, the price has been pretty steady despite all other alts coming down considerably. And the price has been oscillating between around 4 and 5 cents, currently trading at around 4.5 cents. If we look at some of the stats, the current market cap is over $1 million. It achieved an all-time high price of 6 cents. So that price has come down by about 30%. So you might want to keep watching this price chart over the next few weeks to see what happens to the price in relation to Bitcoin and all the other alts. The Rapids network describes itself as a community-oriented and decentralized blockchain that is focused on integrating widgets into mainstream social media platforms to facilitate the sending and receiving of cryptocurrencies among friends, family, colleagues, B2B, B2C, etc. Prime example is their launch of the Raptic bot, which allows payments within Telegram and Discord. This is the Rapids Twitter account. Be sure to give them a follow so you're aware of all the latest developments. And this is the Rapture TV Twitter account. Make sure you're following this Twitter account for updates on Rapture. And you can see the latest update of the Rapids network. Rapids network is proud to announce that the bridge to Binance Smart Chain is now available. Now let's go through their website. So Rapids blockchain at your fingertips. We can have a look at their team, the network, and their mobile wallet. So that is their mobile wallet available on the app stores. To reiterate, they're trying to make blockchain accessible within technologies we're already using like Telegram and Discord. Just to note, with their RPD payment system, send RPD with Raptic bot across social media, Rapids, link share, or any traditional RPD address. But with their link share technology, you'll be able to send RPD with a single click to family and friends. The latest development of the Raptic bot. With Raptic bot, you can provide groups like Telegram and Discord with payment features. Also, it's worth mentioning that Raptic not only serves as a bot, it's also a complete wallet integrated in Telegram and Discord, and it's going to get more features such as staking via Raptic, a multi-platform crypto wallet, and atomic swap. Another thing to note, they've got these videos in their academy to teach you how to use all of their different features, including staking and the Raptic bot. Let's just give this one a quick watch.
How to start using Raptic.
Click the Start button and generate your unique hub token, which you'll use to link your wallet to all supported platforms. Read the help message to understand all the features. Deposit to your unique address, and you can also import V1 tip bot balance. Congrats, you can now use all Raptic features and add Raptic to your group. the current admin features with many more in development. Don't forget to request your unique referral link to invite friends and family and get rewarded.
And here's just some further information on Raptic bot. What you need to do in Telegram is search for Raptic bot, click on start, type the command register, and to access all the features, write help. To import your balance from Rapid's tip bot, type the command add old balance, and then now you'll be ready to use Raptic. There's also these functions /tip, /rain, and /lucky. Looking at the roadmap, let's look at some of the milestones they've hit. Q1 of 2021, the Rapids Wallet ePay card integration, providing our mobile wallet users the ability to use their stored funds to purchase items at 40 million retailers worldwide. And if we look at their presentation, you can just see some of the retailers you can buy vouchers from. Here is their roadmap. You can read and see where they're at with all the technologies, the video game platform, NFT platform, how that's tracking along. In terms of the NFT space, Rapids will be minting NFT collectibles on the upcoming RPDX token, which will be deployed on the Rapids network. They've hired Samantha, aka @Looney Mascot, an industrial designer and artist with impressive work redesigning the MLB and NBA logos. So that's who they're going to have working on their NFTs. So to summarize their roadmap, these are the milestones that are imminent. The Rapture TV gaming streaming platform, ePay integration with mobile wallet allowing investors to buy vouchers with RPD, RPDX creation for NFTs, and an NFT platform. Some of the other highlights: video game live streaming platform development. Throughout 2021, they'll be developing a streaming platform dedicated to gamers, allowing them to broadcast and earn revenues from their audiences. Then in Q2 2021, the Rapids mobile wallet cold staking integration, allowing our mobile wallet users the option to delegate their staking power to a friend or their own desktop wallet while staying in full control of their funds. And in Q4, there'll be more, a $1 million RPD burnt, video game streaming platform public release, and the integration of RPD into the streaming platform. Rapids Host is a multi-coin masternode hosting and smart pool platform, and they're creating new partnerships and revenue for the network. They have an esports team and streamers, and they want to be involved in gaming tournaments. They want to build applications in streaming communities with the ability to tip streamers with RPD, and there's a Rapids shop as well. You can read about their goals and the mass adoption that they want. Why choose RPD? Staking and masternodes are a great way to earn passive income. Each block creates new RPD, which you then receive for supporting the network, and there are a few other benefits as well. The masternode ROI is around 28% at the moment, and staking you can earn 30%. And within the Rapids network, you can share your ideas, and as you build your reputation, you can become part of the Rapids core community, and there's perks to that, which you can read about more here. Meeting the team, they are comprised of specialists and professionals from various backgrounds and with various cryptocurrency experience. You can look up their social medias linked down here, but very transparent. And here we go. They're looking to hire more people. They're all on Telegram if you want to contact them as well. You can read through their presentation here. Some highlights: they use proof of stake, which obviously uses a lot less power than proof of work. Here are some early partners that they've partnered with. You can read about some of their early partnerships here. The exchanges you can purchase RPD on, and they are planning more soon. They were published on Binance Smart Chain Bridge, but from now on, investors can purchase the token directly via PancakeSwap with either BNB, Bitcoin, or ETH and send it directly to the mainnet via this website. Staking pools where you can earn up to 30%, as I mentioned. Third-party wallets you can store your RPD on, and plenty more information on this presentation available on their website. Now, they are currently in beta development of their gaming streaming platform, which is called Raptic TV. Be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel to find out more as that develops. Now, with their streaming platform, Raptic TV, they aim to split all advertising costs between the streamer and the viewer 70-30. So you will get rewarded not only for streaming, but also for viewing. Other projects that this team is working on is an integrated casino environment. Plenty more details all through their website, so definitely check it out, do some further research, and let's see together how this cryptocurrency project develops over the next few years. Those are some details about Rapids. I'm keen to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That will be all for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.